as it really works to define common expectations, perhaps streamline that actual reporting function. That would be incredibly valuable for lots of organizations that could participate. I think, of course, there are going to continue to be lots of other tools for AI governance. The reporting framework has an opportunity to really, iteratively evolve, perhaps more so than some of these other governance tools, because it is this voluntary framework. Organizations can be really engaged in helping evolve and improve it on a regular basis, and that can reflect technology changes as we move into the agentic AI world, and we want to think about how the framework should evolve to reflect that. I think the setup that we have with this reporting framework really allows us to do that, and also just as we figure out how we can improve the framework itself, how we can have it be more responsive to stakeholder interests and transparency.